Hi friends, guess what? Today we're going on a special adventure with the letter A. And I have a little helper with me. Meet Zylo.
Oh, hello my friends. I'm so excited to learn with you.
Before we start, let's talk about what we're going to learn today. Today, I will learn the sound of the letter A. Now you say it with me. Today, I will learn the sound of the letter A. Now you say it. Great job! And now let's find some words that start with A. Zylo, do you know what sound the letter A makes?
Let me think. Oh, I know. It sounds like when I'm screaming and I say, ah! You tricked me.
Great job, Zylo. Let's think of some words that start with A. How about apple? Or maybe ant.
What about airplane?
Nice flying, Zylo. Let's all pretend to be airplanes. A is for airplane, up in the sky. Now it's your turn. Zylo and I want you to find something in the room that starts with the letter A. You have 10 seconds. Ready, set, go!
Hurry, my friends!
Hurry! Great job! Great searching, friends! I want you to keep practicing your A sound, and we're going to see you next week with another adventure.